Careful, he folded his paper and put it into his pocket. I think I'll read him my limerick he made. Might not be familiar with limericks. I wonder if the school board might vote to make limerick writing part of the
curriculum.
That's looking at the phone. How does he know?
I'm not looking at a phone. I'm looking at you
Said
reading.
goodbye to the class and disappeared through the door. There was a
What? What? Brief.
brief
Brief. Where is it? Brief. Silence. A brief silence.
a brief silence. Then Vanessa Ann, in her quiet voice, said, his.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh, I was
Yes,
trying
it says hith.
His.
One, fifth. Very.
His.
It's a silly. They're silly words. They're not real words.
With it. Ow, my head.